How to fix Cash App won't let me add my card to Apple Pay. In this video, I will show you how to fix Cash App won't let me add my card to Apple Pay. First, open or launch the Cash App mobile application. You will land on the homepage of the app, just like you can see here. After that, tap on the profile icon at the top right corner of the screen. You will land on this page where you will see all these different options. Scroll down a little bit and go to the Accounts and Settings section. Under the section, there are options such as Personal, Linked Banks, and Security and Privacy. From the options, tap this one named Linked Banks. Finally, you will land on this page where you can find an option you can use to add your bank or credit card. If the option is missing like mine, don't worry, I will show you what to do. Exit the section and come back to the main settings page. Once you are here, next, scroll to the bottom of the page. Once you are here at the bottom, tap on this option named Support. Wait for the page to finish loading. You will all these different options here such as payments and adding money. From the options, tap this one named Cash App Card. Finally, you will land on this page where you will find all these different options about issues you may be facing related to the card. Tap this one named Issues with Card. Next, you will see this other section where there are many different origins. Ignore all the other options here and tap this one named Card Declined. Finally, you will see this other page. What you have to do now is to read these instructions shown on the page. When you are done, proceed and tap here, Chat. It is found under the Contact Us section. Finally, you will land on the Cash App Support page where you will see a text box. Go ahead and tap on the text box and type a short message explaining to the Cash App Support team the issue you are facing. Make sure to explain to them clearly. You can type the following message. Hi dear Cash App team. Cash App won't let me add my card to Apple Page. Kindly help me fix this issue. Thanks. That is how to fix Cash App won't let me add my card to Apple Pay.